Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a lesson from Beehive. The lesson name is The Fun They Had. It was written by Isaac Asimov. Let us know something about the author. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and he was a professor in biochemistry in Boston University. And he was a prolific writer. He was well known for his science fiction. Now, before I start, the lesson which we are going to learn today is set in future. The way which we are learning right now about school, books, it will not exist. Then how the students will learn? Definitely this question will arise, but they have other choices, other options, other resources. Let us see that learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, moving text. So this is called as the school of the future. Have you ever imagined the day all the computers will be on, the stories will be on computer? If all the things are there, that kind of a book, would you like? But even last year when I taught this same lesson, I thought that it is too early to be predicted. I laughed even. But almost we are in the verge of the virtual classrooms due to coronavirus. Soon I hope we will get back from these issues and I will meet you in school. Now, before I start, let us know something about the important characters, I mean the protagonist of the story. There are two characters, main characters. One is Tommy and another one is Margie. Tommy is the age of 13 and Margie at the age of 11. So these are the two important characters. Now let us go to the lesson. The lesson starts when a Margie had the habit of writing diary. In the diary it was headed the year 17th May to 2157. Now we are in 2020, almost 157 years after. 157 years ahead, the author already predicted. What was written? Today, Tommy found the real book. The real book, the word it tells very clearly that the book would not exist in their time. And the book was very old, and once the Margie's grandfather said when he was a child, when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that when I was young, all the stories were printed on the papers. So he thought, Margie and Tommy both started looking at the book. It was yellow in color and almost it was folded many places. When they went through the book, they surprised to see the words did not move. It was still. Obviously, it would be still only, but for them it was the first time they saw the real book. And after turning the few pages, then again they went back to the previous page and they found the same words were there. Then they compared with moving computers. In the computer screen, they would see all the words moving here and there. And he thought that if the same words will be there, then it would be useless. Tommy thought it was totally useless. Once we went through the book, it would not be used again. And he compared the same things with computer. His computer would have more than million books and he would never throw. So while they were discussing this, even Margie agreed to that. Then Margie was curious to know something about the book. So she started triggering out one after another question where he would find what was about. Like that she was asking questions. For that he told he found it in storeroom and it was about school. The word when she heard school, she hated the word school. She hated and detested the word called school. She had a reason behind it. Her mechanical teacher had been giving test after test and she had been doing worse and worse. Finally, her mother decided to call county inspector. When the county inspector came, within an hour he set right everything and he found there was not too much of problem, and he just told the geography sector was little bit geared up and it was too quick. So I just adjusted and now I kept at the age of 10. And he also told it was not the mistake of Margie's, and he just found her progress also and he told it was quite satisfactory. When he about to leave, at the time again she was very much disappointed. Why? She thought that he would carry this mechanical teacher along with him, because once it happened in Tommy's case also. Tommy's history sector was totally blanked and it was carried, and more than a month it took time to rectify. Again they came back to the same matter, and she was just wondered why they would write something about school. And he told it was centuries ago. It was not like the school which we had, it was centuries ago. They had not a regular teacher, they had a real teacher, I mean man. She was quite surprised to see a man be a teacher, and she thought that, and she had a doubt whether man must be smart when we compare to computers, and even Tommy agreed that no, definitely the man also had the equal wisdom when we compare to computer. So she didn't like to dispute with him. Then he started telling more about the old book. The book was about the school. When they were discussing these things, Margie's mother asked her to go to school, and even Tommy left that place and Margie entered her school. Her school was next to her bedroom. Already that mechanical teacher appeared on the screen and she asked her to submit yesterday's homework. And while submitting the homework, she was thinking about the old school when her grandfather's grandfather, I mean her grandfather's grandfather, when he was small, at the time, how the school would be. Maybe the neighborhood, all the kids would go to that schoolyard. They may just crack jokes, laugh each other. After the school got over, they may gather together and came back to their homes. And even they may think the real teacher means the man, the teachers are just the human being would teach, and she found that really the fun they had. I hope you would really like the story. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Keep learning and keep on learning. Thank you and have a nice day.